This is me ke bonono. I was go outside to check about how much is the weather. When I check, is much cold. Is much cold. Then I went back endlini. When I look, I must cook the bones. I buy the bones during the week because there was not enough money to buy the meat because it's still February. No money. So I was cook for 4 hours upper, and I make the dumpling upper is 5 of cup and sugar 5 also, and yes, salt 1 salt and 2 yeast, and you combine everyone. Then Yapa was already nyuka for first time and second time. After that, I take one of my bones up was fine. Is after 4 hours this one. Then up I will take it back so that I is prepared to go in the pot. Ne? Abba is already in the pot now. Is after 40 minutes this one, and is already fine. No. I cook too much me, no. Me and my sister and our children is love dumpling. Too much dumpling up endlini, no. Ngeke usitouch of the dumpling. You see, is a eatable. Is say eat me. This is me up. I was remove umongo. What is umongo in English? I don't know. So, tara, no. I cook too much, mna.